What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jordan, back with another vlog. On my way to Lens Crafters, get some glasses. Trying to get some like designer glasses, but last time they didn't really give me a good selection. I'm going with the gift of sight. They're hooking your boy up with some free glasses. I'll see you guys when I get there.
Pretty much.
You want to say something inspirational?
I don't know, just give up, I guess.
So with my luck, there was nothing at Lens Crafters. Went to two of them. I'm freezing right now. You can tell by how red my face is. I just got to Marshall. I'm just gonna check it out. Catch up with you guys in a bit. Just got back to the house. Matt's over there being a stain. Didn't have any luck at Lens Crafters. I did cop something at Marshall's there. I'll show you guys what I got. Don't judge me, okay? Just because they're not the newest Jordans or Gucci or Yeezys. I wanted to be different, so I copped these soccer mom shoes. You know how I'm rocking. If you guys have any ideas for future videos, let me know. I'm just editing this video right now. I'm sorry for the angles, but I also have some ideas for future videos, so stay tuned. I got a custom piece coming in. Since my rap name is Dope Sick, I got a pendant like this coming in, except it says Sick. So it'll definitely be the sickest chain in the game. Actually, white gold plated over silver, so it's gonna be a real piece. All precious metal. So again, shout out Shopgld. Those are the boys. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. Please drop a comment. I love your guys' feedback. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and love, guys.